Remember our silly snake says. When you make your S sound, I want you to smile and keep your tongue behind your teeth. Don't let your tongue snake forward like this. Keep it behind your teeth. And make sure your air is coming out the front of your mouth. You should even feel it. Don't let your air go out the side of your mouth like that's not a snake sound. The air has to come out the front while you smile. Now we're going to do our warm-up. I'll go first, and then it's your turn. See. Say. So. Your turn. Remember, smile. Keep your tongue behind your teeth. Sigh. Sue. Great job with your S sound. I like that you were smiling and keeping your tongue behind your teeth. Let's play. Let's see what S words are inside my box. Remember, smile and keep your tongue behind your teeth when we say our S sound. Soccer ball. Can you say soccer ball? Smile, keep your tongue behind your teeth. Soccer ball. I like to kick a soccer ball. What else is inside my box? Scissors. You say scissors, smile, and keep your tongue behind your teeth. Scissors. I like to cut using scissors. What else is in my box? Snowman. This one is tricky. First, we need to put our tongue behind our teeth and make our snake sound, and then we're going to put our tongue up. No. No. You try that. Snow. This is a snowman. I want to build a snowman in the wintertime when it's nice and cold outside. That would be so much fun. Let's see, what else is inside this box? Sippy cup. Your turn. You say sippy. Use your snake sound. Sippy. Good. Smile when you make your snake sound. Don't say tippy. Make sure you say sippy. I have a baby at home and he drinks from a sippy cup. What else is inside my box? Spoon. Your turn. You say spoon. Spoon. Good job making a snake sound. First you do your snake and then you do your P sound after that. Spoon. We eat using a spoon. All right, I have one more thing inside my box. What is it? Sled. This one is really tricky because first we have to make our snake sound and then we need to put our tongue up. Sled. You try to do it just like that. Sled. I want to ride on a sled out in the snow. Wintertime is so much fun. Thanks so much for practicing your snake sound today. Remember, S says. Bye, kids.